I'm Dr. R.S. Sonone, psoriasis homeopathic specialist. Today we will know what is psoriasis. Psoriasis is a chronic recurrent disease. It means that it is a skin disease that comes again and again. So whenever one gets a psoriasis, he gets a treatment. For some time psoriasis goes, but it comes back again. That's why it is called as a recurrent. Or sometimes they also call it's a lifelong disease, that once it takes place, it is there in your life for lifelong. So you have to deal with it throughout your life. So for some time there will be psoriasis, it will go away and it will come back again. So this is what is about the knowledge of psoriasis is there now, what is prevalent, but it is not always so. So let us first understand what is psoriasis. It's a skin disease, and normally it begins like as a dandruff. We know commonly dandruff that is in the scalp and the dead skin or the dandruff falls off. And similarly psoriasis also there, rather the first stage of psoriasis is similar like that of a dandruff. Initially it is very difficult to distinguish between a dandruff and a psoriasis. So commonly dandruff is a very common symptom and it's very prevalent. So initially the first stage of psoriasis is not dandruff, but it is like dandruff. So whenever a doctor knows or a patient knows there is a dandruff in his scalp, he goes to the doctor, he goes to the medical stores, buys some shampoos, and it goes away. Again it comes back. So if it comes back again, he will go to the doctor, he will get the treatment. Doctor will also give some different types of shampoos and all these things or some medicines, and it will go away. But after some time it comes back again, and this goes on, that he gets the treatment, it goes back, it come back in. But gradually the patient notices that now the dandruff is not limited to the hairline, it comes out of the hairline. So behind the ears, on the forehead, there are some dandruff spots, or the skin gets red, and there is some falling of dead skin, some lesions are there. So then a doctor says that it's not a normal dandruff of your scalp, but it's a psoriasis, it's skin disease, and this skin disease can affect all of your skin, and it cannot be cured. It can be cured for some time, or it is treatable, not curable. It will go, and when it goes away, you stop the medicine. When it comes back, you come back to me and do it. So this is about psoriasis. Thank you.